Yeah. See, we all been through it. Weight on your shoulders and can't move it. Just keep a firm grip on your soul and you'll never lose it. Cause money doesn't equal happiness, do not confuse it. And life is ruthless, get to walking if the shoe fits. Cause everybody's got a memory lane, but as you're walking down it, all you can remember is pain. The moments that afterwards life was never the same. It's almost like something in your body chemically changed. Now you think the world's against you, I get you. Trust me, I have been through times I thought I'd never see an end to. When they said I couldn't, I just showed them what I can do. And ended up acquiring these gems that I lend you. It's now my duty to assemble a crowd, gather up positive energy, spread it around. And as them vibrations join, they develop a sound. It's profound, turn that negative down, and I feel so free. And I feel so free. Really free, yin and yang, two sides live in me. Working in synergy, I never let it hinder me. Always keep a balance, you can check my alkalinity. I'm colder than the wintry mix, the slope slippery. Keeping my aesthetic in line with the psychedelics. On my third eye is never wide shut. You can tell it's authentic, no synthetic, it's printed in my genetics. I am who I am, living unapologetic. We unique by design, be yourself at all times. Those who mind don't matter, those who matter don't mind. So say what you're feeling, inform your own opinions. We don't all have to agree, that's the beauty of being different. But ignorance is bliss, and awareness overwhelms us. It's easier to fall in line and follow what they tell us. But never let up, be what you wanna be. Deep breath, we'll be fine, you'll see. And I feel so free. And I feel so free. So free. And I feel so free, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I feel so